We are in Windows 10. Let's take a look at how we can change our microphone. Now, we used to do this through the control panel in the past, but now we do it through the settings button. So we go to the start button and then click on settings. And once we're in settings, we're going to click on system, which is the first one in the top left. Then we'll click on sound. And then we're going to go down to where it says input. So choose your input device is the same as the microphone. So we hit the drop down, we can choose any one of the microphones that you see listed here. And it's always a good idea to test it out. So you can see where it says test your microphone just underneath it. As I'm speaking, we're seeing the needle sort of move back and forth. If I were to change to one of these other microphones right now, then you'd no longer be able to hear me. So I won't actually choose a different one. But this is how you make the change. You just click the one you want and just make sure that when you speak into that microphone that you see some activity here. Choose an application such as the sound recorder to see how it sounds and then play it back. So that's how you change your microphone in Microsoft Windows 10.